Cold wires hum beneath my skin. Street lights flicker like they're giving in. Boots on puddles echo in the night. I walk the line between fear and the fight. I feel the storm bending over me, breathing on the back of my memory. Under the black rain, I hear the old world calling my name. Under the black rain, I'm burning through the dark like a broken flame. The shadow moves where the neon breaks. A heartbeat lost, another truth that shakes. Rust cold steel and the taste of dust. The city only loves what it can crush.